वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज था फाइनली हमारा फ्रेशर्स पार्टी एंड ट्रस्ट मी आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर इट। आवर ड्रेस कोड वाज वेस्टर्न एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट पहले मुझे लगा था कि कम लोग होंगे तो शायद मज़ा नहीं आएगा बिकॉज द पार्टी वाज ओनली फॉर द इकोनॉमिक्स डिपार्टमेंट स्टूडेंट्स, बट ओ गॉड, एट द एंड वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट। Initially, I didn't even plan to participate in the Miss Freshers contest, but when I asked to one of my seniors, she said that the first round is mandatory for everyone, which was the ramp walk. And after that, we had an introductory session. My officers and the seniors for I'm Shweta Pandey. I have done my matriculation from Pandey Public School from Varanasi, and my intermediate from Sushil Engineer Varanasi. I am graduated from University and pursuing my master's in economics from Party VKM BHU. Thank you. And our lovely seniors gave us some cute gifts. Then came the fun part, the enact and guess game.
The word written on it. The rest of the group will enact the word silently. No speaking, no writing, only acting. The player hearing the word has to guess it within the 1 minute. If you guess right, you win.
I was the one acting and my partner had to guess. And guess what? We cleared the first round successfully, but sadly lost the second one, in which I was the guesser that time.
Okay.
After that, we got refreshments, kachori and fruity. Perfect combo, right? Then the names for the talent round were announced, and yes, I got selected for the second round. And I performed a song by Justin Bieber. Unfortunately, I was disqualified in the final question answer round. But honestly, it was such a memorable experience. And my most favorite part, the dance floor. Everyone just danced their heart out. No rules, just pure fun. At the end, I thanked my seniors for organizing such an amazing surprise, and we finally headed home with so many memories and smiles. Now let's do the unpacking of the gift. It had a beautiful black clutcher, a pair of earrings, a cute scrunchie, and a pretty cup. So that was all about our freshers party. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.